Hello YouTube, what's going on? We're back again. So today's video, I am swapping out the old module for my Drone Mobile. Specific model number, I'll tag that in the description so you guys can know. But the new one is the X1. How you put it? And the X1 is basically on the LTE or a G5 network, so you can broadcast. The previous one was on 3G, which now AT&T is getting rid of their 3G, so that won't be working anymore. So everybody who has the older one, you have to swap, or you're gonna lose the service. I say lose the service, but the connectivity to your smartphone and your car. So stay tuned. I'm gonna do the swap. Quick, easy, simple thing.
Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus, yeah. Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus. Turn on the live, cover live, yes sir. Me have the vibe, yeah.
Alright, so here's a better look at the box for the X1 module. I'm gonna open up, let you guys see. You see right there, it says LTE connectability with the GPS and everything. Alright. Show you what this thing looks like. This is what basically comes in the box. It's a new cable that you gotta use, and this is the unit. This is the new module unit. Bam, bam, bam. So very simple install, where you would plug up to right here, and then plug it into the unit you have in the car. Mine is located behind the vent right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling this off. I already loosened up from earlier, so this comes off very easy for me. So I don't want you thinking that yours is gonna be coming off as easy as well. Pull this out. This is this piece here. See, you can see it's not that easy. All right. So see my unit right here. This is the old model one. This is, what model is this? Okay, it doesn't even say the model, but this is the one that's on 3G. If you look close right there, it says, I wasn't recording, but I pulled all of this down, and then, you know, the wires and stuff was in there. I plugged from the main brain of the unit, the main module of the unit, ran the new wire down to the side here, and now I'm just screwing all of this back up. I'm about to plug this in. I'm gonna plug this in to make sure it blinks and works. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. Alright, so this part is all buttoned back up. I didn't record it, me pulling that down, but I ran the new wire harness through. Same way I had the old one in there, coming through here. Alright, so this is the new module. Just want to plug it in. When you plug it in, the LEDs come on. You know it has the power. See the LTE and the GPS. So what I gotta do now is go into the app and basically scan this and let the app know that I updated the module, so that way, you know, everything works and connects. And I'll be back up and running on the what you call it? The LTE 5G connectability now. So yep, this is the new unit. Then I'll just pack this away. Hold on, that just dropped off. Wait a minute. Okay, now it's clipped in good. I can slide it back into the right here, tuck up all these wires, clean it up. So I'm gonna clean that up, connect all this up, then I'm gonna show you in the app when I scan it and how everything works. All right, that's all buttoned back up. Pretty cool. All units, like I said before, you plug out from the brain part, I didn't show you all of that because everybody's car is gonna be, you hook it up and hide it wherever you want to hide it. So I don't think I need to show you guys where I was hiding that at, but it's what we're doing it. So whoever has this one, this is the 3G, and now the X1 is the new thing. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how to scan on the app and bring that in. All right, so I'm gonna put screen record on so you guys can see the process. I'm gonna put it in the screen. Well, it's not working. Okay. All right, screen record is on. Go to the Drone Mobile app. Then you go to settings. Send the vehicle information. Boom, boom, boom. We're going to vehicle information. We're going to scan the new one. Hold on, let me get the. Scan the new one. Then save. Are you sure to update? Saving. I guess it takes a little while. Successfully saved. Alright, my email just came in. Module has been swapped out. Bop. That looks great. Let's see if it's working correctly. Refresh.